Good morning, I am Emanuele Quaranta of the European Commission Joint Research Center, and today I will chair a session at the Floating Solar Conference on floating photovoltaic on dam reservoirs. Floating PV are photovoltaic systems that are installed on water surfaces, and in recent years a modern trend is to install them on hydropower reservoirs. The benefits of floating PV are different. Floating PV are more efficient with respect to a land installation. Then, in addition to the solar energy, also evaporation from the reservoirs is reduced. This means that the flow rate that can be used by the hydropower plant increases. This is a picture taken from Lee et al. That showed the floating PV potential from hydropower reservoirs. It was estimating in this paper that the global potential range between 3 and 7 terawatt, and in Europe it is about 700 gigawatt. This means that the floating PV potential from hydropower reservoir is big, is important, and should be developed in the future. Additionally, what is important in floating PV system is not only the energy that is generated by the solar energy, but also the energy that can be generated from the hydropower plant by using the water that is saved from evaporation. So the evaporation reduction, thanks to the floating PV, allows to increase the flow available and that can be used by the hydropower plant. So thank you for your attention, and I hope that you will enjoy the